Hi all, welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. We are going to do something special today. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to light the background in any of your videos, let it be Instagram, YouTube, or any video you make. If you want to change such kind of background into a different background, I'm going to show you how you can do it just under 500 rupees. So let's start, and in this video we'll be going ahead and unboxing the RGB lights which I bought below 500 rupees, and I'm going to show you the complete tutorial on how to make those RGB lights get connected with wires, and each and every step will be covered in it. So let's start and show you the complete tutorial of this. Okay guys, so now we are going to go ahead and unbox this. So I will just take out the cello over here. As you can see, these are the RGB lights which I have ordered. So I'll just put this box aside and we'll open the RGB lights and see what has come in it. So these RGB lights are coming with the remote also in it, by which you can control the brightness and different RGB colors, the blue, yellow, orange and all those stuff. And this is the remote cover, and this is the wire they gave along with the light, and these are the RGB lights. To be said clearly, this stand also for that which has been given. So this is the stand which can be kept. I'll be showing you the procedure how to fix the lights in a proper manner now. So let me just unbox the second one also. Then we'll be fixing the, so it's the same content again with a remote cover and the RGB lights with the stand for it. And now that is set completely. So now let's go ahead and fix the wires onto it. So what do we need to go ahead and start connecting this stand along to your normal system. First of all, we need a wire like this, a plug, 2 wires which will be connected to this. We need a sellotape, and we need a normal scissor or a blade, whichever is useful to you and whichever you can manage. But be cautious while doing this, do not cut your fingers. And once I go ahead and fix this, I'll get back to you. I've got 2 of these because I've got 2 of the lights over here, and once I fix this on, I'll get back to you and I'll show you the complete set, how it is fixed. And I'll also go ahead and demonstrate what difference it causes to the background also with different colors. So let's start with that. Okay guys, so now we have gone ahead and connected our wire to the RGB lights, and these are controlled by this remote. one remote is enough, because with the box you get about two remotes, and I think so I got each of them for about 240 or 280 something. So it's within 500 rupees which you got, and the 1 meter of wire just cost you about 10 bucks, and this will cost you 10 bucks. So it is within 500 rupees where you can go ahead and change the RGB lights. So I fixed in both the wires, and this is the remote control to control the color of the light. That is, you can make it into blue, red, green, orange, or you can flash different lights in the background. So what we'll be doing next is, now I'll be going ahead and setting this up behind me, and we'll be changing the the background will be the same, but you'll have a different color of it. So let's start with that. Okay guys, as you can see, there's a light behind me over here to light up the background, and there's one more light over here. I'm kind of clumsy, so you can see the wires down, but you can make it in a neat form over there, and that will also go ahead and light up the background over here. So now I'll go ahead and show you, see the background behind, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you this with the lights on, and now with the lights off. So now you can see with the lights off how it is. So there's a huge difference between the lights on and off. So let's switch on the light. So this is with the lights on. So that is a huge difference you can do in case you have a normal wall also behind you. In my case, I'm having behind, you can see there's a window and there's a curtain, so it looks better. And I have a lamp on this side. If I switch it on, as you're seeing in the beginning of the video, it gives a better look also. And you can also get few plants like this, so that you can go ahead and decorate wherever you're sitting, to go ahead and make your video in a proper manner. And there are many videos which I have already posted. You can click on my playlist over here to go ahead and check about the cheap lighting, about different type of light stands, in case you want green screen, and all those I have given a complete tutorial, which you can go ahead and check out in my playlist. And in case you did like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe for this, so I can make many more tutorials on whichever topic you like. And do leave a comment below, so that I can go ahead and make a tutorial for you as per your comment. Because in my last video I had gone ahead and made the video in Hindi also for one of the comments for one of my subscribers. So subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I will surely go ahead and make a video according to your choice. So this is the easiest way which I found out. Like, you can go ahead and light the background, whether it's a wall, a window, or anything behind you. And it's just about like 250 each light. If you want, you can buy one light, or you can buy both the lights also. And I'll be leaving the links for that also below, so that you can go ahead and click on the affiliate links below, and you can go ahead and purchase this on Amazon. Until next time, this is Kamal, and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.